In this video we show how the data for cascading lists can be prefetched so that when you click on a row in the parent list, no AJAX callback is required to populate the child list. So you can see here we have a list of states, and then in the second list we have a list of cities in that state. And if I go and run this in Firefox so we can actually watch AJAX callbacks taking place, we can see now that when I click on a row to populate the second list, there's no AJAX callback taking place, and that's because all of the data got preloaded when the UX component was rendered. So in order to do this, you can see that we've got here the cities list, and then in the properties for that list we've specified that this has a parent list, that the parent list ID is states, and then we've checked this box here that says preload data, and by doing that we've caused the parent list, which is this list over here, to preload all the data for all of the different cities so that no AJAX callbacks will be required. So if we actually go and run this code and then view the response that got sent back to the client, we can see that the parent list data over here, so here's the parent list, and we can see that the data that got sent back to the client is a JSON, is an array of JSON objects, and inside the data for each row is the sublist data. So here, for example, for Arizona, here are the cities for Arizona, and then for California, here are the cities for California. So we've been able to pre-populate the entire UX component so that no AJAX callbacks are required to populate the sublists. Now this technique is useful when there's a reasonable amount of data. If you've got a very large amount of data, then turning off the prefetch data is advisable, and then when you click on a row in the parent, an AJAX callback will be made to go and fetch the data for the child list. But this shows a new option that's quite useful in many applications. Thanks very much for watching.